My Lord, the directions of the court, Inspector General, that is the acting Inspector General. Of course, the Inspector General himself, the acting Inspector General himself. My Lord, the position of the Inspector General and the instructions that we have received is that after Mombasa, he was proceeding to Lamu on security operations. And my Lord, it's in the public domain, the issues that have been happening around Lamu. And from there, he's also proceeding to the northern corridor. That's the sides of Garissa, Mandera, and other places on those sides, for the same security issues.
Mandera, Ash?
That is Garissa, Mandera, Wajir, those sides. Without disclosing too much, my Lord, I wish to state that there is a security operation happening around those areas, and the acting Inspector General is leading that process. Inspector General will respect the court order. My Lord, for those reasons, we have instructions to seek the indulgence of the court in the following manner. The first one, and these are just options that the court can consider. We are not imposing any on the court. The first one is, if the court would be agreeable or amenable.
My Lord, with tremendous respect to the alliance.
We will have the court to vary the order to the extent that the Inspector General or the acting Inspector General appears virtually on a date to be set by the court. The second one, my Lord, is an affidavit has been done by the first respondent in respect of the matter or the issues that are the subject of today's appearance. That affidavit is signed by an officer of the Inspector General. And my Lord, it's strike law that the Inspector General can act through officers under him. The affidavit was filed through the court system and has been served on the other parties in this matter. It is our prayer that the court does have that affidavit on record
By Masingeli, for reasons that in the morning you had made a ruling on the question of the affidavit filed by the first respondent. They have not filed an application to set aside that ruling. My Lord, as we stand here, they do not have audience because they have failed to comply for the 6th time. My Lord, there is no greater security than the security of the people who have already been found to have been disappeared. The duty of the Inspector General is first to the rule of law and the Constitution of Kenya. By failing to comply with your 6th order, we pray that you proceed to make your declarations. First responder. It's actually saddening that Madam Masingeli makes a proposal to the court to amend its orders that the Deputy Inspector General comes to court. They do not need to seek leave of the court to ask the Deputy Inspector General to come. They ought to have demonstrated good faith by asking the Deputy Inspector General to come. That has not been done. My Lord, what you're being told are stories. We are praying that the court proceeds to make its declaration on the conduct of the Inspector General of Police, so that the law takes its course, my Lord. That is all on my part.
If I may, my Lord. Difficulties that are there. Respondents. It's not difficult, my Lord, we explain the logistical difficulties that are there. In that the court is asking for the acting Inspector General to be present. And there is a representative here from the office of the Inspector General. And he has been here since the first time. He was also here in the morning.
I'm finding it, because you see now, the coming of the Inspector General is one thing. There is even grave matter that has not been addressed. The issue of those three people, where are they?
My Lord, the affidavit that has been put before the court speaks for itself as to the fact that the police are not holding these people. And the DCIO Kitengela is also here. He's an officer under the AIG, and all these officers can be put here and they can explain to the court. My Lord.
Okay, you are giving options to the court and not even any of these options, but they are complying with these court orders, and that has been the position of the petitioners correctly. Why has it been so difficult that you say that he has two deputy inspectors of police? Why is it that none of them has even ever bothered to come to court from the time the court issued these orders?
My Lord, the representative from the office of the Inspector General has always been before this court, and in fact, the court.
Why is it that until today you have not filed any? How do you expect the court to take you serious?
My Lord, from the record that I have with me, and I will also give my colleague an opportunity to talk because she has been here before, is this petition was served on the 26th.
So when did you respond? Yesterday.
And on the 27th,
yesterday was which date? 4th.
Yesterday was 4th.
after my ruling on that.
The first appearance we did was on 3rd. So the first time we had to appear was on 3rd.
You are served on 26th. On 26th, you are supposed to appear in court, having made a response to the petition and the application.
My colleague, if I understand, she came to court and sought for time to be able to put in a response on time.
Did she come to court on 26th?
My Lord, she was the
I want to take you on your word with regard to.
Let my colleague explain.
My Lord, before you take us on the word, let us first address the issue of service. This petition was served in the office of the Attorney General on 26th August 2024. By the time it was getting to us, I served on my feet.
I'm trying to help her with the court.
Number B, order number B was that the physical service of these orders be effected by close of business today.
That was on 26th.
That was on 26th when the petition was served. The petition was served together with these orders on 26th August 2024.
My God.
And we wish that to go on record. Yes, and we sought instructions on 27th August 2024. My Lord, that is the position because we have a stamp, a receiving stamp for 26th August 2024. This order for the Inspector General to appear in court was served together with the petition on 26th.
Yes,
It is not even a coincidence that all the respondents were not in court on that day,
Okay, just a minute.
26th.
And the order for the Inspector General to be served came after the first order was not complied with.
Yes, my Lord, because we were not aware of those orders of 23rd. The orders of 23rd were served on 26th August 2024.
The reason why I feel that you may not be very much willing, you have not been very much willing to comply with these orders, is in spite of this matter having come to court on 23rd, the court having issued all those orders, you did not even go to respond at any given time. You only responded yesterday. All along, you've been aware of this petition. You've been aware that I had summoned the Inspector General of Police from 26th, but you never bothered to put any papers. How else do you expect the court to take it if you are taking the matter so lightly and they invoke the fundamental freedoms of other people? The office has not been diligent in dealing with this matter. And I am certain if you had complied, you would not even have summoned the Inspector General of Police. You would have dealt with your representatives, including the investigating officer. But because you are taking your time, you don't seem to be giving the concerns of these petitioners and the Kenyans the attention that they deserve. It now leaves us here where we have to summon your boss to come and explain why his office is not acting in accordance with what they promised Kenyans when they took the oath of office. They took another office first to have allegiance or to keep their allegiance to the Constitution. And this Constitution is one that has a Bill of Rights. It has the principles of rule of law. They are not there.
We apologize to the court if we didn't, or we appear not to have really been taken the matter seriously. But we have also explained to the court the chronology of the service and how we are supposed to say
now,
of the matter.
Mr. Mutinda, you are coming very late. You are telling me that we have a representative of the Inspector General of Police. We have a deputy AIG. Where have they been all along until it reached the level of the AIG? Yet they have been aware of this case and they know what is involved. What have they been doing? If they were working under the instruction of the AIG, why didn't they put in place those papers in time?
Lord, if I do recall very well, is that the appearance on third is when the court was informed that there was a representative of the AIG. And we also sought for time to file an affidavit. Office of the Inspector General himself. My Lord, you've also indicated be kind enough in order that we consider that affidavit and that the DCA or the officer of the representative of the IG takes the stand and explains to the court.
My Lord, I think this reasons, my Lord, we insist that the law takes its course. If they think they have other important activities, if the first respondent has other national important activities than appearing before a superior court, then, my Lord, your hands are tied. The court must pronounce itself. My Lord, this would be a routine. If they are given another sixth chance, we will be before you here on Monday as they had requested, and the IG will not be in court. The law must be seen to be working, my Lord, and that is through your pen. Let them understand that next time when a court order is issued, it must be complied with.
It is important that we abide by the Constitution and our solemn duty to respect the law, because the law is supreme than anything.
In our country, in our fathers, there are our fathers that are dying in this nation. We demand the release of the release of Aslam Rapton. We demand the release of all these people who are arrested. We demand the release of all those people who are taken. Where is the AIG to answer to that? Go and arrest the AIG. Go and arrest the Inspector General. Don't come to arrest people here. You are arresting people here. Go and arrest the Inspector General. You don't come to arrest citizens here. The Inspector General is going to be arrested. Go and arrest the Inspector General. Where are our brothers? Ndugu yangu wako wapi? Tumekuja leo kudemand. Tutaka kujua. Hiyo ndo tumekuja kujua. Hata ukinishika unipeleke wapi? Bana mimi nimekuja kuhusu court. Nimekuja hapa kutujue ndugu zetu wako wapi? Walipotea. Nini court nani? Ndugu zetu walipotea. Tumekuja kutafuta justice hapa. Tumekuja kutafuta justice tujue ndugu zetu wako wapi. It just comes to a time when our parents are educating children. Only to have to bury them. Only to have to end up burying them. It's not right. It's not right. Our system is not protecting us. The law is not protecting the weak from the strong. That is the purpose of the law. I know very well, I understand very well, that is the purpose of the law. If the law is not protecting me, then I should not keep silent. You should not tell me to keep silent. I will never keep silent in this country. I will never. Until change comes, until change happens, the people who have killed our people are still in power. The police who killed our people have not been brought to court. Tell me one police officer who have been brought to court, those who are killing our people. One of them, just one of them. Right now, Murangeri, the cop who killed Rex Masai, is back at Central Police Station. He is back at work. And I gathered that the OCPD Central Police Station is a relative of the same Murangeri. That's what's happening in our country. Actually, it's not being taken against criminals, against murderers, liars, and this in this country. This should not continue. I'm ready to die for the truth. Christ said, the truth shall set you free. And he says that if you abide in my words, then you are my disciples indeed, and you know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. And this is the truth for which I'm prepared to die. When dead, physical death is the price that some of us are going to pay to free this nation from a powerless devil spirit, then nothing can be so redemptive. Our people are losing lives, people are dying in Kuare. How many bodies? How many bodies? Why moved from Kuare? How many bodies? How many bodies? Kenyans, innocent Kenyans. Just yesterday, a man was killed, Ruben. A young man was killed, 3 people by police, just because they told them they had bang in their pockets. They shot them to death.
Okay,
If you are not,
message.
One day justice will come. We are fighting for justice.
Don't
Tell them to go and arrest the IG. They should not come here to arrest people. Let them go and arrest the IG. The IG is the one who does not know how to respect the court.
Petitioners, the court has is also on its way to Garissa on a national security assignment. The court has been urged to vary the court order and have the Inspector General appear virtually. The court will not vary the court order to allow the virtual appearance as requested. Neither will it allow or accept the replying affidavit until the contempt is purged. The orders of the court are not made in vain. The stream of reasons and excuses by the Inspector General of Police are definitely bound to run out. To proceed at this juncture, though, and instantly make a finding of contempt of court may be seen as premature in a grave matter of contempt of court that is in the form of a criminal sanction, being an offense against administration of justice. Our Constitution requires a high threshold in matters of criminal nature as per Article 50. Assistantly, the reasons for non-appearance today must thus be considered in the light of this constitutional threshold. Moreover, in view of what has just happened in court, which I have witnessed, it will not be conducive for me to sit in this court past hours to be able to come up with a proper ruling that the court anticipated. Activism, though allowed, should not find its way into the court presence where solemn matters are being litigated. And I hope the security will take this into consideration so that it does not happen again. It is thus necessary that I postpone these proceedings to Monday, the 12th of September 2024. The Inspector General of Police, having already indicated his availability on this particular day, should have no further excuse but to comply and attend court physically at 10 a.m. so that the court can put this matter to an end. Sorry, Monday.